Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Listen, this video is long overdue, I know, because I have a part 1 and I have a part 2. Part 1, part 2, and now this is part 3. And guys, please go check out part 1 because that video is doing so well on YouTube. I had to go back and do a part 2. The comments made my heart full, like overwhelmed, happy that I could help so many people. And that's why I'm back again to do a part 3. Part 1, I did a lot of explanation, explaining a lot of stuff about Jamaica as well, that you guys can learn some in-depth about Jamaicans and the country Jamaica. We Jamaicans, we think highly of ourselves. We are so proud to be Jamaicans because that's how we were brought up, you know. No matter what you have in a life, you couldn't have nothing in a life. One thing with us Jamaicans, even if we don't have nothing, we're proud. Once we come together, we'll come together, especially for, like, you know, to support each other. If one away do something in the next country, we're always out and ready to support that person. We support system, can't explain it. Yeah man, we're proud, but I'm gonna do words and also phrases. All right, so the first word is dweet. Like, I feel like that's so easy because you can hear the proper English in the word dweet. So dweet is basically do it. For example, you think I'm afraid for do it? You think me afraid for do it? Me not afraid for do it. Me will do it. Do it, we'll do it. I just make up that song on spot, guys. Do it, we'll do it. And like I mentioned in my first video, don't forget, when you're talking Patwa, you have to have the body language and the facial expression. All of it go together. You can't just do it. No. You have to have the facial expression and the body language. It's a must. Alright, the second word is craven. And craven basically means greedy. It means greedy. You're craving me. So you really sit down and eat up all of the ice cream. I'm gonna tell you if you left some for me. You're craving. You're greedy bad. Long belly, wanga gut. All of those go together with craving. Wanga gut, long belly, all means greedy. So this next word, oh my goodness, when I first came to America, I don't remember where I was working and I told someone, I said this word to someone and they were looking at me like, you know, weird. But our meaning and the meaning here in America is totally different. So the word is hush. And in Jamaica, hush means I am sorry. Alright, someone hurt themselves, you'll be like, hush, yeah, I saw you go. Somebody lose them job, somebody, you know, something. And you try to cheer them up and say, hush, yeah, I saw you go, alive, hush. But here in America, it means you're telling someone to be quiet. Shh, shut up, hush. And I said to the person, hush. And they're looking at me like, I didn't mean they were supposed to be quiet. I was just saying, hush, I'm sorry if you hear that. So hush means I am sorry, or hush means you're trying to cheer up somebody. Like you'll be like, hush, yeah, a part of life, hush, life goes on. So the next word is chatterbox. I haven't heard that in a long time. And chatterbox means you chat too much. So when somebody call you a chatterbox, they basically telling you that you chat too much, you talk too much. I remember in school, that's all you would hear. Like if a student keep talking in class, you will always hear the teacher, chatterbox, chatterbox, chatterbox. I haven't heard that in so long. So the next word is fast. And no, not fast as in you're running fast. No, fast means nosy. You fussy. You hear me over here, so I talk my business to Marcia and you come a fast. You fast, so you nosy bad. Or you can also say enough. You come like water. Enough. Yeah. You fast enough. Come out of my business. Out of my business. You're too nosy. Enough like water. You're just the everywhere in a people business. Yeah, this is an expression like, alright, you're texting or something. You see how I'm gonna use America as example because I live here in America, but I know other countries use these words and phrases and abbreviations as well. This one is DWL, and the perfect example for DWL is when you're texting, you know, you would text LOL, LMAO, RO, like all these new things. I can't keep up with these young people, but in Jamaica we say DWL, and that means dead with laugh, dying with laughter. I mean, in Jamaica they use the LOL and LMAO too, you know, but for one, what we own is DWL. Maybe there's more, you know, since I left Jamaica, but when I was there was DWL. I'm pretty sure more makeup. The next phrase is me a forward. Alright, so when you say forward in Jamaica, forward means come. Yeah, I know, it's weird. So me a forward means I'm coming. And I don't want to explain why Jamaicans don't like to use the word come and coming. I don't feel like explaining that right now on my video. If you can use common sense, you know why. So they just switch it up with the word forward. So you call somebody, you say Shana, come here, and Shana say, yeah, Krissy, me a forward. So forward mean I'm coming. Yeah, forward that party later. Yeah, me a forward that party. Me I come at the party later. I'm coming to the party later. Like you have to think about it, right? Yeah, Jamaicans were very unique. The next phrase is the dance slap way. Maybe like people my age group and older, we use the dance slap way. I don't feel like anyone that's younger than me using the dance slap way same way. So the dance slap way means the dance nice, it's a vibe. So the dance slap way, the dance turn up. And dance in Jamaica is party. Little kids them like 4 and 5 to 10 we call their stuff party, and like the adult party we call it dance. Alright, the next word is nyam, and nyam means eat. Nyam is like a it's brawling bad, I'm not lie. nyam brawling bad, man. And nobody come say me go and like me better than use word nyam. No, it really brawling. Think about it. Nyam no brawling. So nyam mean eat. You gonna nyam off my food? Me give you 2 spoons of rice and you gonna nyam off my food. The next one is yazimi. Yazimi means, are you understanding? Like you're explaining something to somebody and at the end you'll be like, yazimi, are you understanding what I'm saying? That's basically what yazimi mean. If you're understanding, you understand yazimi. The next one is run a boat. Run a boat mean when you cook a big pot of food for you and your friends, or you and your family. You know, you have a yard full of people. Like how in America you guys will grill. Do you look a grilling outside with family and friends in your backyard? In Jamaica we run a boat. Yo dog, my raw. Right now I'm gonna run a boat. And raw means hungry. If somebody said them raw, them hungry. The next word is dotty. And from your ear dotty, you can just guess what that means. Dotty. Dotty mean dirty. Your shoes dirty, your clothes dirty, or dot. Like call dirt, dot. The younger generation using a dot, you know. If a dot, a dot. And when they say if a dot, that means like If a war for GWAAN, a war for GWAAN. And dirt, once you hear dot, dirt, if a dot, a dirt means 6 feet under. So if a war for GWAAN, a war for GWAAN. If a dot, 6 feet under. You know what that means. Yeah. Jamaican. The next word is dopey. And dopey means ghost. There are so many dopey stories. I don't even want to get into it. But yeah, dopey means ghost. So the next word is rank. Yo, I haven't heard. Listen, a lot of these words I haven't heard in years. Who using these words here in America? So I don't really hear them. So rank, rank means you smell. You smell like pee. Or rank can also means you're rude. So if you say something to somebody that they don't like, they be like, you're rank, you're bright, you're rude. And rank also means you smell like pee. Rank. The next one is overdessa. Overdessa. And overdessa means over there. We finna go over there. Period. The next one is grung. Grung means floor, ground. Outside door, outside, the ground, floor. So we say grung. Listen to me now. Take it off of my bed and put it on grung. Wait to do on my bed. I grung it for day. The next one is everything Chris. And everything Chris means everything's good, everything's Gucci, everything's okay. The next one is me no business. And me no business means I don't care. Me no business, I don't care. Guess who me see over Sharon yard? Why y'all tell me that for me no business? Me no business over there. I don't care, cause guess what? It's not my business, so me no business. The next word is gimme. Gimme means give it to me. See how we shorten that? Give me my things. Give me, I'm mine. Give it to me, it's mine. The next one is femi. And femi means for me. Let me use femi in 2 sentences. The bag when me say, you buy it for me? Femi, you buy it for me? The bag that I saw, you bought it for me? Get it? And you can also use it like this. A femi one. You say a femi one, you say it's for me. It's mine. You can use it different ways. So the next one is mix up. And mix up means drama. Mix up means tea. Like, oh, Americans be like, I got some tea for you. I got some tea to tell you. Jamaicans be like, I'll mix up to tell you. I'll be a mix up and pasa pasa. Pasa pasa also means tea. Pasa pasa means drama. You can use pasa pasa or you can use mix up. The next word is hype. It's different from what Americans use. And it's so funny, when I came to America, I learned this. Hype in Jamaica means when you're hype, when you have attitude, or when you act like you're better than somebody. Like you act like you're more than them, you're better off than them in a life, you're hype, you're just hyping on them. And in America, hype means you're hyped, you're excited, you're like on level 100, you just hype, you just like when you have a hype man, a boost you up in the background like, hey, go Tina, go Tina, go Tina. That's your hype man, and you out there a flick by your head top. Yeah, that's hype in America. In Jamaica, hype means attitude. Yeah, your IP, you have your L-Cat and your BMW, you come show off and hype. You showing off, you showing out. Like show off. Like in Jamaica, you see how people be like, oh, you showing out. In Jamaica, we say show off. Yeah, show off. So show off and hype mean the same thing. You hype on somebody because you're better off than them, and you prove to them that you are better off in life than them, so you hype on them. The next one is turn up, and that's so easy, man, so easy. Turn up means turn up. We about to turn up, we about to get lit. We about to get lit in this party. So turn up mean, yo, the party are not turn. Wait, Pop can't say again. Yo, the party a turn up, it turn over. Or him say it not turn up, it turn over. I don't remember what him saying, but him say something. Girl a sing for the mic and I been over. I don't know the words because it's been so long. Yeah, when my party been over, like a pile up and plus the bar bill been order. Right now my job can't go on. Right now I can't find my phone. Right now me need for casting one. I don't remember the words to that song. That's so crazy. It's been so long. I'm gonna listen to it right as me done this. So I don't know I'm reach all the way down there. So but turn up means turn up. A party a turn up. It's so funny that we are used turn up before Americans start say, oh, this is turned right up, this is turned up. We've been saying that, bruh. We Jamaicans been saying that, like, been saying that. So this next word is pill. Pill mean when you get tricked by someone. Like, for example, you were supposed to go out with somebody, you got ready, you did your hair, you did your makeup, everything, and then they never showed up. That means pill. Them give you a big pill for swallow, like a tablet. Yeah, they gave you a big ass pill to swallow because guess what, they did not show up. So them pill you, them trick you. So pill means trick, you got tricked. So the next one is UNNU. And you guys that's watching my video right now, UNNU me attack. You guys are UNNU. UNNU means all of you guys that's watching me right now, UNNU. And you know in Spanish, UNNU means one. And in Patwa, UNNU means 20 UNNU. That's so funny. You and your friends going out. UNNU ready? Are you guys ready? UNNU me attack. UNNU. I'm talking to you guys. UNNU. So instead of be like, you guys ready? Or what are they doing? What UNNU do? UNNU mean all of you, all of you guys. You can use UNNU in so many different sentences, but UNNU means all of you guys that's watching me right now. So last but not least is WAAN. And WAAN, so many different meanings, but the true meaning, let me tell you the first true meaning of WAAN. WAAN means what happened. WAAN, what happened, what happened. So me know, I don't ask what happened. This is like proper English, but we will say what is keeping. Like, you know, you'll be like, what is happening right now? Instead of you saying what is happening right now, you say what is keeping right now. What is keeping? My love said that. I know you guys hear me say that a lot in my video. Even the last video I upload, when that wig was giving me issues, I was like, no, what is keeping? What is keeping? No, what is keeping me? What's happening? So WAAN means what happened, what happened. WAAN, what happened. Sometimes I feel like people use WAAN to replace wagwan. You see how Jamaicans just use words just different meaning. You see somebody say WAAN, you're good, wagwan, you're good. I know it might sound confusing to you guys, but all my Jamaicans know where I'm coming from. One word has so many different meanings, you know, so it's kind of tricky to a non-Jamaican. Like if you're not Jamaican, it's kind of tricky to you, but we Jamaicans know. Like we just know when to use a certain word and how to use it. But don't be discouraged, guys. You guys can learn as well, you guys will catch on, but you have to go and start from the first video, my part 1, and then jump to part 2 with me and my friends, and then part 3 right now it's just me, as you can see. So yeah, that's it for this video. And guys, if you have any questions or anything you want me to translate in standard English, just comment in the comment section, or also follow me on Instagram and DM me. I feel like you'll get me there quicker on Instagram, so go over my Instagram and follow me. And any questions you guys have about this video, anything you want me to translate, just come over there and ask me in my DM and I will. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, comment down below, share some when I miss out. My Jamaicans, if you know any, you guys can comment down so other people can learn from you as well, like some that I haven't mentioned in this video. Comment anything in the comment section. I reply to all comments. Thank you so much for the support, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.